Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to save web pages as PDF in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Suppose you were watching a web page and you want to save it as a PDF to share with someone else or for some other reason, then press Ctrl plus P on the keyboard to open the print dialog box. In the print dialog box, under destination, you will find this one Microsoft Print to PDF printer, that is built-in printer in Windows 11 and 10 PC. In case you have uninstalled it, then you will find this one browser built-in printer, that is save as PDF. Select any of these one printers and then you can select a page range. Suppose you want to print all or you want to print all pages only, you can select even pages only, or you can select custom option to specify the page. Suppose I want to print the page 1 and 5 only, so I will put here 1 comma and 5, and you can here you can select this one layout, portrait or landscape, and you can click on this one more settings option to adjust more settings such as paper size and other things. After doing these changes, click on this one save button. Now in the save as dialog box, navigate through the left side pane and select your destination where you want to save this one PDF file and then name the PDF, and after that click on this one save button. This will save your particular web page as a PDF and you can open it by double clicking on it.